Shut up. I sit back with this pack of zigzags in this bag of this weed. It gives me the shit needed to be the most meanest MC on this earth that's a verse. I've been cursed with this curse, just cursed and dessert and bizarre shit that works in itself, in its house, in itself to relieve all this tension, dispense and these sentences get and the stress it's been eating me recently off of this chest and I rest again peacefully. But at least have the decency in you to leave me alone when you freaks see me out in the streets when I'm eating or feeding my daughter. Do not come and speak to me. I don't know you and no, I don't owe you a motherfucking thing. I'm not Mr. Instinct. I'm not what your friends think. I'm not Mr. Friendly. I can be a prick if you tip me. My tank is on empty. No patience is in me, and if you offend me, I'm lifting you 10 feet in the air. I don't care who was there when you saw me destroy. You will call, you will lawyer, fire, you will lawsuit. I smile in the courtroom and buy you a wardrobe. I'm tired of arguing. I don't mean to be mean, but that's all I can be. It's just me, and I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't what I say I am, in the paper, the news, every day I am. Radio won't even play my jam, 'cause I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would I say I am? In the paper, the news, every day I am. I don't know, it's just the way I am. Sometimes I just feel like my father. I hate to be bothered with all of this nonsense. It's constant, oh, it's his lyrical conscience. The song gives he conscious has gotten such rotten responses, and all of this controversy circles me, and it seems like immediately points a finger at me. So I point one back at him, but not the index or pinky or the ring or the thumb. It's the one you put up when you don't give a fuck, when you won't just put up with the bullshit they pull, 'cause they pull this shit too. When a dude's getting bullied and shoots up in school and they blame it on Maryland and the heroin, where were the parents at? And look where it's at, middle America. Now it's a tragedy, now it's so sad to see an upper class city having this happening. Then attack Eminem 'cause I rap this way. But I'm glad 'cause they feed me the fuel that I need for the fire to burn in this burning, and I have returned, and I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would I say I am? In the paper, the news, every day I am. Radio won't even play my jam, 'cause I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would I say I am? In the paper, the news, every day I am. I don't know, it's just the way I am. I'm so sick and tired of being admired that I wish that I would just die or get fired and drop from my label and stop with the fables. I'm not gonna be for the top of my name is and pigeonholed into some poppy sensation that got me rotation at rock and roll stations, and I just do not got the patience to deal with these cocky Caucasians who think I'm some wigger who just tries to be black 'cause I talk with an accent and grab on my balls, so they always keep asking the same fucking questions. What school did I go to? What hood I grew up in? The why, the who, what, when, the where, and the how, till I'm grabbing my hair and I'm tearing it out 'cause it's driving me crazy. I can't take it, I'm racing, I'm pacing, I stand and I sit, and I'm thankful for every fan that I get, but I can't take a shit in the bathroom without someone standing by it. No one sign the autograph, you can call me an asshole. I'm glad 'cause I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would I say I am? In the paper, the news, every day I am. Radio won't even play my jam, 'cause I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would I say I am? In the paper, the news, every day I am. I don't know, it's just the way I am.